Good day, Christopher Ripley here at Williams Honda. Want to go over how to use the navigation system in a Honda. So first thing you're going to see is the navigation button. We're going to click on that. It's going to show you your map where you're at. Cool part is it's showing what direction you're facing and the elevation you're at. So if you are driving in the mountains and you want to know how high you are up, it'll actually tell you. Great little feature. But most of all, we're going to use the where to. Up there, it's going to pop up some options that we're going to look up under. Categories is the best one that I like, kind of searching. So if you're driving in an area where you're not familiar with and you want to know, hey, where's the closest gas station? We can click on gas stations and it's going to show you all the gas stations. So if we wanted to find the closest Dandy, we could hit go and it's going to take us there and it's going to follow us.
Please drive to highlighted route.
It's going to take us to the closest Dandy, which is going to be a left down the road, it looks like. And it says we'll arrive at 9:47. We know it's about a 2-minute drive because it's 9:45 right now. Let's say we don't want to go to the Dandy anymore and we've already put gas in our car. Where else do we want to go? Well, let's say we just want to search for an address. You've given an address and you want to go somewhere. So let's say we type in 1600 Pennsylvania. Oops, spelled that wrong. Ave in Washington. And let's see if it pops up. Right there it is. 1600 Northwest, Washington, D.C. We hit go. It says it's 225 miles away. We're going to hit go again. It's going to be calculating the route. And we're going to take a right out of here.
Drive to highlighted route.
And it's going to tell us it's going to arrive at 3:44 in the afternoon. And we're going to go. We can also see, if we zoom out, what way our route is going, which is really helpful. And up here at the right, we can also see if there's any detours, where's the traffic, we can change the guidance volume, and if there is any settings along the way. This is really helpful to use. It is very good. It is a Garmin-based GPS system, and so it will work in your car no matter if you have cell reception or not. This will always be in your car. But if you do have any other information, just keep looking under this, and under navigation, it will show you. You can add some shortcuts and settings. Will all adjust all of that for you.